Hi, my dear kids.
Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn.
In this video, we are going to see about travel and communication.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.
Hi, my dear kids. Can we start? Okay. First one. To travel means dash. A. To take bath. B. To cook food. C. To go from one place to the other. D. To study. We all know travel means to go from one place to the other. Option C is the correct answer. Second one. Which of these animals were used for traveling in old times? A. Goat. B. Lion. C. Dog. D. Horses and oxen. So in olden days, people used horses and oxen for traveling. So option D is the correct answer. Third, we put our letter in A. Hospital, B. School, C. Letterbox, D. Aeroplane. So we post our letter, postcards, everything in letter box, that is post box. So option C is the correct answer. Fourth, on letters we have to dash. A. Write the address to whom letter is posted. B. Paste your picture. C. We don't need to write anything. D. None of these. So on letter we have to write the address to whom letter is posted. So option A is the correct answer. Fifth one. Look at the pictures and tell what mode of transport it is showing. So they are giving cycle. Option A air, B water, C land, D none of these. So cycle, it runs on road. So the mode of transport is land. So option C is the correct answer. Sixth one. Identify the picture and find six means of transport. A. Water, B. Land, C. Air, D. None of these. So the given picture is sheep. It moves in water. So the correct option is option A. Seventh. Who am I? I can fly in the sky. Option A. Aeroplane, B. Pencil, C. Car, D. Phone. So in the given option, only aeroplane can fly in the sky. So option A is the correct answer. Eighth one. I can run only on a special track. A. Rickshaw, B. Computer, C. Train, D. All of these. So in the given option, only train can run on its special track, that is called railway track. So option C is the correct answer. Ninth one. You can travel through desert by sitting on me. Option A computer, B hen, C camel, D none of these. So we can travel through desert by sitting on camel. Camel is also known as ship of the desert. So option C is the correct answer. 10th one. A pilot flies the aeroplane. Tell whether the statement is A. Correct, B. Incorrect, C. Both, D. None of these. Yeah, a pilot can fly the aeroplane. If the statement is correct, option A is the correct answer. One. Dash is the fastest way to send a message. A. Speed post. B. Telegram. C. Email. D. Postcard. The fastest way to send a message is through email. So option C is the correct answer. 12th one. Sound and pictures can be broadcast through dash. A. Newspaper. B. Radio. C. Television. D. Fax. So picture can be broadcast through newspaper. Sound can be broadcast through radio. Fax is a one-to-one communication. But sound and picture can be broadcast through television is a audio-visual communication. So option C is the correct answer. 13th one. A fax is used to option A. Make signals. B. Communication with dolphins. C. Send and receive copies of printed or written matter. D. Understand the communication between plants and animals. So, fax is used to send and receive copies of printed or written matter. So, option C is the correct answer. 14th. In India, all major cities and towns are connected by dash. A. Sea. B. Road. C. River. D. None of these. So in India, all major cities and towns are connected by road. Option B is the correct answer. 15th. The cheapest means of transport for long distance traveling is dash. A. Train. B. Aeroplane. C. Car. D. None of these. So the cheapest means of transport for long distance traveling is train. Option A is the correct answer. 16. The first railway track in India is laid in A. 1753, B. 1853, C. 1953, D. 1854. So the first railway track in India is laid in 1853. So option B is the correct answer. 17. They are also called cellular phones. Option A. Hand phones. Option B. Mobile phones. Option C. Telephones. Option D. Wireless phones. So, mobile phones are also called as cellular phones. 18th one. STD means A. Subscriber trial dialer. B. Subscriber trunk dialer. C. Subscriber transmitter dialer. D. Subscriber trial date. So, the expansion, the abbreviation for STD means subscriber trunk dialer. So, option B is the correct answer. 19th. ISD means option A. International subscriber dialing. B. International super dialing. C. Indian subscriber dialing. D. International subscriber dating. So we know STD means subscriber trunk dialer. Similarly, ISD means international subscriber dialing. So option A is the correct answer. 20th. Which of the following is not a mode of mass communication? A. Newspaper. B. Television. C. Computer. D. Radio. mass communication means more people can listen. So newspaper, television and radio are one to many communication, that is mode of mass communication. But computer is one to one communication, is not a mass communication. So option C is the correct answer. 21. The best method of communication with large cross section of people is possible through A. Newspaper and radio, B. Radio and telephone, C. Television and radio, D. Telephone and television. So, best method of communication with large cross section of people, that is mass communication. It can be possible through newspaper, radio, television. So, the correct answer is option A, newspaper and radio. 22. Which one of the following is the most important in communication? A. Language, B. Sound, C. Telephone, D. None of these. The answer is none of these. 23rd. Two means of transport, 1 and 2 are given below. Identify them and select the correct option regarding 1 and 2. A. 1 is a crane which runs on land. B. 2 is a parachute which flies in air. C. 1 is a fire truck which runs on land. D. 2 is a glider which dives in water. So observe the picture. 1 is a fire truck which runs on land. 2 is a glider which flies in air. So option C, 1 is a fire truck which runs on land, is the correct option. 24th. The object shown here is related to dash. A. Post office, B. Railway station, C. Bus stop, D. Telephone exchange. So observe the picture. It is post box in which we can put letters, postcard, etc. It is related to post office. So option A is the correct answer. 25th. Select the odd one out on the basis of mode of transport. A. Parachute, B. Helicopter, C. Aeroplane, D. Bus. So option A, C, B are means of air transport. D. Bus is a means of land transport. So the odd one out on the basis of mode of transport is option D, bus. So this question was asked in 2013 NSO. 26. Dash is used by soldiers to travel underwater. A. Submarine, B. Sailboat, C. Cable car, D. Lorry. So, soldiers will use submarine to travel underwater. So, option A is the correct answer.
Thanks for watching this video. Please watch my next video for safety and first aid. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.